So you guys remember this Lennox? Well, here it is. It's off right now. I filmed this unit in 2015, starting up, shutting down, and running. Those are one of my earliest videos that I posted just this year. This thing is from 2014 and it's a 2-ton. It replaced a 1997 2-ton janatrol. Or no, this one's a 2.5 ton. They replaced a 2-ton janatrol, or it was either a 1.5 or a 2-ton. RU fan motor. It's got a LG compressor, unfortunately. LG strolls kind of suck. It doesn't sound too bad though. But yeah, this is the unit. And it is freezing outside, so it's not going to be running. Yeah, 4-bladed fan. It's a Elite. This is a 13 seer. It's an XC13. Got the valves. Disconnect and condensate drain. Alright, that's going to be about it for this unit.